Welcome to the heart of Prague, where sweet smells fill the streets. Today we're trying one of the city's most iconic street treats, the Chimney Cake, or Trdelník. It all starts with fresh dough, rolled and wrapped around a wooden spit. Then it's grilled over open flames until golden, and rolled in cinnamon sugar for that perfect crunch. You can enjoy it plain or go all out with Nutella, ice cream, or fruit fillings. It's crispy outside, soft and warm inside, sweet, comforting, and totally delicious. If you're ever in Prague, don't miss this treat. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more travel bites.